All right, hey, I am Rob Link. I am the founder and CEO of the Tech Care Association. It's techcareassociation.org, O-R-G. We are the only nonprofit trade association for folks that are in tech repair, mainly. That's who we represent. And what we can do is we can help repair shops improve. We've got a really great bunch of resources on our website that include different lists of providers, like what you're going to meet at this awesome show, the All Wiresless Prepaid Expo. And we also have a really good blog, and we have some videos that we have available that are really just designed to help you improve your business. Now, we're a member-based organization, so you can join the Tech Care Association as a repair shop, and then you'll appear on our wheretorepair.org website, which is a consumer-facing website for people to help find repair shops all across the country. We have about 1,500 members right now, and we're constantly growing and looking for new folks to join us. So, hey, join the Tech Care Association at techcareassociation.org and check out our new Shop Check tool, which is brand new here at the trade show, which will give you a review of your website and your web listings and let you know how you can improve and get more business. But that's what we're all about.